the channel. I really hope that you understood the concept that how do we create a class using the syntax. In my last lecture, I told you about the syntax, that how do we create a class. If no, that in today's video, I'm just going to show you the example where I will be creating a class with a creation of object and showing the access specifier role, that how we are going to use it. So for the very first program I will be telling you is for public specifier. So how do we create a class? With the keyword class. Now the keyword I wrote it down is class, then a class name, whichever name you want to give, where I am writing the access specifier public, so that I can use my variables directly into the main function or to the other function. Int a. Okay. Now my class has been created with the semicolon. If you are not mentioning the semicolon in a program, it will provide you the error. Now the main function int main, then I will be creating the object. How I will be creating the object? Just write down the class name space object name, and my object is created for the class. Object is created. And now how I am going to use this object, or how I am going to declare or define my variable with a value. So I'm simply going to write it down, object name dot my variable a is equals to 5, okay, and semicolon. And now I want it to print, so cout object name dot a will be printed, return 0. And let's see. See, 5 is our output. So if I am not mentioning public over here, and if I am executing this program, so what will be the output I am getting? I will be getting the error, as a is mentioned over here in a class is a private variable which cannot be accessed directly in a main class. So if I am talking about the private variables, how do we use in a program? Let me just make few changes in the same program. Here I wrote it down a private variable int a, then public member function can be method. Okay, so I am mentioning the method, or you can say member function int display. I'm just declaring here a member function. I will be defining a member function outside the class with using the scope resolution operator, which is a operator in a C++ for getting the scope of the class, for getting the scope where we can use these variables. So how I am going to use? I will simply write it down, int class name and the scope resolution operator and the main function name. My function name is display, and now here I will be defining my function. So what I wanted in my function is that cout enter a number next line and cin a. and again Cout A equals to A. Okay, so what I am doing in a display function, I just want that user to enter a number A, which is going to print A equals to any value whatever the user will be given. So what I am going to do in main function, just write down the class name with creating the its object with the object name. No need of this statement over here now, not even this statement. So I just need to write it down over here is object name dot display and semicolon. Let's run it out, and it's error what it's saying. Enter a number is because I didn't mention it in a double quotes, so error is coming. Now again let's run. See, whenever you are making a program, you do a clerical mistake, so go through the errors and the warnings so that you can able to learn your mistakes and the errors you are making down. So my output is coming. Enter a number. I am entering a number 10, and then it is showing me A equals to 10. Whereas in program I mentioned my A as a private, but we are having a public function in a class, that is display, which can use a variable private A from a class, and I am printing it using a object and a member function in a main function. Okay, so this was an example where I showed you the role of public and the private access specifier and the creation of the class and the creation of the object in a single program. So I hope you understood it. If not, then you can just put up your queries to me so that I can solve them. Alright, thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then do it as soon as you can.